Hi everyone, today I'd like to talk to you about the Timex Tn2651. It's a Timex Weekender watch. The watch comes in a either white box like this and has this gray container inside that white box, or it also comes in a black box depending on where you get the watch. So here's the watch. It's a 38 millimeter polished case. And the case materials is basically brass material. When you first get the watch, it has a little plastic stopper here that keeps the battery from running while it's in storage. The dial color is, it's not white, it's off-white. It's more like an ivory cream color. And has a standard buckle, and the strap can easily be just removed this way, and you could replace it with the any type of band, with another 20 millimeter band that can slip through. And they have a variety of colors, blue, red, and so on, black. We could also just get a leather band and just hook them on each side with these little pins here. These pins come right off with a little pressure, spring-loaded pressure. And it has a nightlight indigo, which you can see, which will light up once you press the button on the side. And it's so simple to set the time. Just take out the crown once, which is it just has one position, and it goes back and forth either way. And has a red hand, second hand, and also 24-hour markers and Arabic numbers. This color has a 30 meters water resistant and mineral glass. So the size is nice so that either men or women can wear it. And you could buy this watch as a couple watch too. It's beautiful design, simple prices, very fair. On Timex website, it's normally $60 and change, but I think right now they're discounting it at $41.99. But other places you could get it for like $33.59 or so. Actually, we found this on Amazon for $33, and we have the link below where in the description you could go to the watch directly and get the watch yourself. It's just beautiful, simple, everyday watch, no burden, perfect watch. Hopefully if you have one, or if you decide to get one, this video hopefully helped you out a bit. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts and comments.